Yay, Brody! Yay! Yay! Good job. I see you over there hitting the buttons. You're still a little too little for this, but I mean, your feet are touching. You'll get the hang of it. A couple weeks, you'll be all ready for it all the time. Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So much to do on this. But you're gonna decide to eat. I don't think that's what that's there for, buddy. What is that? Is that a sunflower? Let me see. Yeah, I don't think that sunflower is there for that reason, but okay, if that's what you want to do. Brody, look, it's for this. Look. Oh yeah, nice drool all over it. Oh no, I think the batteries are dead. Oh wait, there we go. Brody. 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 Can you look up? Brody Alexander Brown. Brody Brown. Hey. What's going on? Okay, gonna eat that again. Yeah, there you go. It's like eyes. It's like, oh no, so sensitive. Whoa, good job. Good job. Good job, son. Good job. Yeah, you got this thing. We'll try a new area each day, okay? Yeah. Yeah. You're looking at the tag, aren't you? Because you like to pull on the tag in this. Of course you would be looking at the tag. Oh, whoosh, whoosh. Bouncing. Look at those little feet. Look at those little feet. Oh no, please don't throw up all over it. That's why we're doing this before you eat. Want to see what Daddy looks like right now? Let's see what Daddy looks like with you. He looks pretty awful, but you know, look at Daddy. Daddy's got no clothes on. He's got underwear on. Hi. Hello. You're doing a good job. Yeah, you're doing a real good job, son. Alright, let's go back to you. Enough of Daddy. Next time I'm going to wear the CatDad mask with you while you play on your toy and hold a kitty. We should put one of the kitties in there, but we need a tail hole though. You don't have a tail, so we can't use it like that. Okay, I'm going to go back to watching my show Fargo, okay? Just sit here and you play. Be good. So this is the second time he's been in here. The first time it was like he didn't know what was going on. But he's good now. You go, boy. You go, Brody. Brody, you doing a good job. Yeah, you're doing a really good job. Bear cub. Hi. You enjoying that? Yeah. Good job. Those little legs. on with you? What's going on with you? You've been so fussy all afternoon. Hey, you want some more food? Let's get you some more food. Oh my, this boy. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. Here. Here. Here, eat. Eat and relax. God. It's been like this all the afternoon. I feed him and he spits up or he whines some more. He's probably being a brat. That's what he's doing. He's being a brat to his dad. Kitties are actually behaving better than you are today. Munsie, don't run. I look drunk with my eye like this. Becca! Brody. Brody. Hi. Hi. Hello. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? The picture I just took and shared looks like you were having a really good time. You are, aren't you? You're having fun over there. Pretty soon you'll be able to bounce in it and turn around and all that stuff. You want to try a different spot? Here, I'll rotate you. Here, let's try this. Look. Whoosh. There you go. Get your back a little. I know you're still a little small. Here, you put your hands up. There you go. Let me fix this under you. Hold on. Turn this off. Are you going to try and eat that? Are you going to try and eat that? Yeah, I knew you were. Yeah, you know. Just like your mommy when she was a baby. She eat everything. Yeah. What you got going? Oh. He doesn't know what to do. He's so overwhelmed with this thing. So many colors and things to do. Alright, we're attempting to feed the baby in the chair, and he likes to lean back really far. It was really funny. I missed it. He went like all the way back. Is that all you wanted? Was like a little taste while you're driving your vehicle? Hey, no grabbing the camera. Oh, you're starting that now too, huh? Grabbing the camera like it's one of these things here. This is not part of the toy. This is not part of the toy, son. You want some more of this stuff? Here. Give me a lean back. Come on. Let's get you lean back again. He's watching Maya the bee. Maya the bee. You look like you're getting tired again. This boy's been sleeping like all day. Being lazy. What's going on, my man? No, don't touch the camera. Ah. Is it good? Yeah, it's good. Fart noises all day. He's got the hiccups. He doesn't see me yet. Let's see if he does his fart noises. He's doing it forever. What were you doing earlier? The fart noises. Alright, put your show back on. We'll come back to you.
I had to put up with sweating really bad.
2 babies, huh?
Like, turn another way.
We all know your name. But what is your name?
Luke.
Luke. Luke, and you're like 4 months old too today, right?
Yep, today.
Oh, man. 2 4-month-old babies, huh? Brody's got you beat by what?
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
2 weeks.
Oh, look at these cuties together. Maybe you guys will hang out in the
Becky got some
future.
cute pictures.
Nice. Hello.
You're what? Yeah, hi, Hannah.
Hi. Hi. Ah, yeah, you know me already.
Yeah. Keep looking up the opposite way. Yep. It's like, oh, is Daddy's filming?
Yeah, they are. Put them close together and get like that. Yeah, there we go. Don't let them hit heads though. Babies are good at that. There we go.
You hungry? Yeah.
Right, you're good. Oh no, you're starting because he's starting, huh?
Is that his blanket? No, hers is.
Oh no. Oh no. You can see his face while he's whining.
She did it with all my kids.
You're okay for a second, right? You see his face.
Life is so hard.
As we always say, stop being a baby. Hey, get away from my beer, creature. What's wrong with you? I don't like that stuff. Oh no.
Maybe it's just that he hasn't met Creature yet.
Yeah. He's like, I wish I met all these. I wish I met Captain Creature. You're famous on the internet, Creature. Oh, he's like, I'm out. The black one, Boo Boo's the only one that'll stay around. What? It's okay. He's just upset. You're fine. Oh, man. Once one baby starts whining, we've learned that. They all whine. They don't stop. They all join in together. Synchronized synchronized crying. Hey. All right. Are we better now? Huh? Are we all better now? Me and you, we're like a team, man. Every day, all day. Me and you get along just great. Most of the time. Look, see what's going on behind us here? He's upset because he's not used to this area. He's very, very, very cranky. And he's making you cranky. You know what I'm saying? Chunky boy? You be doing the same thing at his place. It's trying to get us all in there. Oh, look at that, yeah.
Would you get past that though? Like,
Ooh, let's spin. Let's spin. Whoa. We're spinning. Probably not a good idea. He just ate. Whoa. Whoa. Blanket! Simona! Ignite blanket! Keep a boo!
No.
Haven't seen the swing chair in a while. It's all new to him, so he's excited and he fell right asleep. He's got his bear.
What is it? Mild content. Oh yeah. What is that? It's for like gas. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh, he is not liking. He does not like the paparazzi. Yeah, he's sleeping right there. It's because it's new to him. He hasn't had this chair in like 3 weeks, so we don't always use it. You give him his bear. CatDad made dinner. Hey, what do you want? You want this? Do you want spaghetti? Do you want spaghetti? Kitties don't want spaghetti. I already tried to give him a piece. The fuck you want? Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here, I'll stab you. Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. No, you don't want that. You want this? Here. Here's some pasta bazoo. Pasta bazoo. Don't beg. Nintendo. Black cat. You're so black. I can pet you. Hey, you want pet? I'll pet you. This is what I look like. Ready? Give me that kitty. I want fluff. Give me the kitty. He's fluffy. Ready for the kitty to go flying? Let's do kitty go flying. Here we go. We're going to turn around. You're going this way. He don't even know what's going on. He don't even know what's going on. Ready? Look at this screen. Look at the screen and go wing and go wah. Bye bye. My turn. I do it. What? Ow, son of a... My fucking head. Marsupial. And marsupial. And marsupial. Night. Yummy. Yummy. Where'd my keys go? I love you. Sweet dreams, little Kate. You got on your back. Come on, let's go to bed. I'm gonna turn the camera lens around. Yeah. I'm only kidding. But you know, we gotta go to bed, boo boo. Boo boo, we gotta go to bed. You don't taste like chocolate. I had enough chocolate. You taste like hair. Like a hairball. Yeah, why not? Why not?